let's take a look at these 2 new sticker books from Live Love Posh. Were you expecting my intro? I'm not going to do the intro, you guys. Sometimes you just got to jump into flip throughs and get into really cute sticker books. And that's what I'm doing right now. Anyway, these are 2 new sticker books from Live Love Posh. They are available today at 6 p.m. Central Time. These 2 sticker books are part of the new Posh Lifestyle collection. There are 4 sticker books in all that are releasing tonight. And the other 2 are called Crafty Planner and Plant Babe. I don't have those ones yet, but I do have these that Jessica sent to me. I have a code for you guys. It is Bumble10. You can get 10% off. The link will be in the description box. Thanks as always for using my code, and let's jump right into it. Let's take a look at Floral Fitness first. So if you're someone who likes to work out, or someone who wants to work out, or just someone who likes workout stickers, this book is for you. Let's take a peek. I haven't looked at these yet, by the way. These are new to me. I don't like to look at them before the flip throughs. I don't. Okay, first page. I love it already. I have not worked out in a while, so this might give me motivation to do so because these are so cute. So it says, you're beautiful. These are on paper, and we're going to have 2 pages of that. That's what Live Love Posh, they usually give you 2 pages of each, which is nice because then you're not like, oh my gosh, I shouldn't use this because I like it so much. You know what I mean? Because you have another page. So we have like an apple here with a little measuring tape, the scale, the sneakers, and then we have a whole bunch of girls here doing their thing, drinking their water, they're hydrating, which is what I should be doing right now because I just had 2 huge cups of coffee without any water. But that's besides the point. So another page of this that's going to coordinate with these, right? Another paper page with fun stuff like gym stuff, you know, sweat, smile, and repeat. Inches don't matter. Hashtag you are gorgeous. Really positive messages there. I like that water bottle. And then this is a more functional page. We have hydrate, little habit tracker there. Weigh day. You can write the weight right in there. Steps, cardio, gym, yoga. 2 pages of those little icons. Okay. Because Jessica loves florals, she couldn't pass up florals in this sticker book. And the good thing about it is, look, they're going to match those girls. So you can have a floral fitness spread. I think that's perfect. These are on paper. You've got like your corner and side stickers to put along the edges. And you have 2 pages of those. They're really pretty. And I think this might be what's happening here. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. The mermaid with muscles. Train like a beast, look like a beauty. So this is a little more in your face, a little more like, bold, which is good, a little different. Don't dream of it, train for it. Look, even this has train like a beast, look like a beauty on there. Really cute. Those little boxing gloves. Really, really cute. 2 pages of that, and then icons. Again, we're going to have the similar thing throughout, I think. We've got hydrate, cardio, steps, workout, gym, meal prep this time. And then some florals with the girls. Love this. I love this. And these little floral boxes, a little drink there with the little hearts on it. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. Some stretching going on. And now this theme looks familiar. So I think it's a Hello Spring sticker book. Maybe had these types of florals or colors in it. It reminds me of that a little bit. So you could probably use those with this if you wanted to combine it. Just saying. Gym now, wine later. And we have I like the combo. It's just this purple and this almost chartreuse color here. Really, really cute. I love the details in Jessica's sticker books because they're always just such cute little details, like that little drink with the lemon. You know what I mean? I just think it's really pretty. And then we have a lot more florals here, or succulents, I guess, maybe. But they're really pretty. They're really, really pretty. Okay, and then same deal here, except each page of these looks like it's going to be a little bit different. So we have hydrate up here with 2 different color water bottles to change it up for your fancy, you know what I mean? Workout, steps, cardio, weights, meal prep. And then we have not today. I think I would use up all those stickers though. Within the first 2 weeks, just saying. Look at this one. This is cute. This is cute. Unstoppable. These florals are really pretty. I like those a lot. And it all coordinates with the colors. Of course it does. Of course. Burn, baby, burn. I can and I will. Be strong. Look, we have a little scene there. Is that all one sticker? Yeah, this is like one sticker with that. So we've got like the workout stuff with the plants and the little pictures. I think it's so cute. And look, little pictures up there. Super cute. Workout mode with florals on the punching bag. That's pretty funny. And a little scale with the florals. So pretty. Another page of this kind of stuff with these cute florals. Hydrate. We got inhale, exhale. Work it. Never give up. Get the little whatchamacallits, you know, the little headphones. And the workout bike. I like it. Oh my gosh, I thought that said heart attack. Sorry, Jessica. It's my eyes, okay? It says drink water. Come on. I wouldn't say heart attack. What am I doing? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, groceries. And then we have, if you don't know what this stands for, B is for breakfast, L is for lunch, D is for dinner, S is for snack. And then we have vitamin trackers down here. And those are going to coordinate with like your colors. I think that's cute. Okay, so here's some functional stuff here. We have stretch it out. So some suggestions for stretches, 15-minute total body melt, 30-minute workout. So there's some workout suggestions here and a 6-week kickstart challenge which I think is good. And then walking challenge, week 1, 2, 3. She does have a disclaimer down here saying, you know, it says this fitness information on this page was added to show a variety of examples for workout routines of all levels. It was added to this book to inspire and create motivation. Talks about, you know, consulting your doctor, that type of thing, which is good because you don't want to, you know, get into like, I couldn't start out by doing like this because I haven't worked out in so long and because I have chronic pain, or like this, but I could do some of it. But you know, okay. So we have, measurement stuff, arms, bust, waist, hips, thighs, weight, before, after, so you can put your photos in there. And then look at these colorful to-do list bullet point thingies. Checklist stickers, I mean. Goodness. And then we have some motivational fitnessy quotes. Fitnessy is not a word, but in my world it is. Stop wishing, start doing. It never gets easier. You just get better. Never give up. Your only limit is you. You make yourself a priority. Believe in yourself. Blah, 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 blah. More of this. These are on paper, not clear. Good things take time. Gym hair, don't care. If only sarcasm burned calories. And then I would be like 20 pounds and not alive, but you know, because hey. Okay, love your body. Running late is my cardio. Peace, love, gym. This is really cute. So if you are, whoa, my cord is flying. If you are a fitness lover or want to be, this book is for you. Now let's check out Lux Living. I think this is going to be more up my alley with my lifestyle. I like this color with the gray, don't you? Ooh, pretty. So the first page is going to be on paper. We have 2 pages of this too. We have some living rooms here. Ooh, look at these. Look at these circles. Those are cool. So we got a pink and green thing going on here with some little lights, little living room thingies, you know, for lack of a better term. Items, so you can pop them in your planner and make a big scene. Make a scene. You can all, don't make a big scene, please, but you can make a scene in your planner. And also, like, wouldn't it be fun to put someone on that chair? I'm just saying, maybe there's those fitness girls, or maybe like a squad girl can sit on that chair. She'd be pretty small or big, probably, but anyway. This is going to fit the whole bottom or side of your page. And then we have these little tropical florals in here. I like that. And yeah, this is really pretty. Look at this. There's even a frame with those circles in it. That's pretty cool. And I know Jessica likes plants, so we got some plants in here. This vase is really cute. We've got pops of yellow, which I guess is really pops of gold. Even a little pink candle. So pretty. Okay, so now this is more my speed. We've got the beds. Beauty, sleep. A little Paris bag and a little cute nightstand with Paris type stuff on it. Look at those PJs. That's such a cute PJ set. I want it. And yeah, lots of florals here, like kind of like line art florals. Really cute. I love this because you can make scenes. I like it. Okay, so more of this, just bigger. There's those PJs again. I'm going to have to know where to buy those. And yeah, look, a little hair tie. That's so cute. So cute. A new theme. Okay, so we've got blues and pinks this time. Boss, or lady boss, hashtag girl boss. Living in style. We have those heels. Okay, this theme is not me, just saying. Like this one, yeah. This one, This one, no. Come on, I don't wear heels. I would never wear heels again. I don't even think, I mean, I literally will probably never wear heels again in my life. I don't like them. Do you like heels? Let me know in the comments. You know, if you like them, hey, you do you. But I can't. Anyway, we have some washi tape here. That's really fun. And like, look at those boxes. Ooh, this is really pretty. Just because it's not me doesn't mean it's not pretty. Really, only the heels are not me. Okay, so this is the girl who's wearing the heels. And then look at that, more of those boxes. I like how Jessica like lays out the stickers on the page so that they're not just like boom, boom, boom. They're kind of diagonal. And like the page itself looks fun, don't you think? I think the page looks fun. We have some like paper clips here and stuff like that. I like that vase. I like that lamp. Where can I buy these things, Jessica? Where? Because I need to know. All right. So now like a complete 180 from those colors, right? Ooh, this girl's me. Coffee girl here. And the colors are really pretty. We got some pinks and browns here. Look at that with those little coffee cups hanging. Oh my gosh. I want to zoom in on every little detail for you, but I'm not going to. Like I want to, but then it would require so much editing. Like the last flip through I did of Jessica's sticker books, I did zoom in on a lot of like really cute little things. I might do that in this one. I don't know. I can't take a lot of time editing it today, but these are so cute. I really like, look, a little coffee bean bag. Oh my gosh, I like these. And then this page is going to coordinate, of course. Ooh, a croissant. And a little tray with a little healthy meal on it. And look at that. These are cute. Coffee beans. Ooh, I like that desk too. I'm getting ideas for my decor in this book, just saying. Okay, this is not me either, but I do like pink and black. Like I could never wear those heels. But look at this. This is so like, I don't know, just like posh, right? I mean, this is called the Posh Lifestyle collection from Live, Love, Posh. So that makes sense, but these are so cool. I like that little map. Yeah. Like I kind of want to be these girls, but I also don't want to wear those shoes. Okay, so we've got more of those boxes and like fashion here, fashion magazine, and like a cute pen, a little coffee mug. So pretty. And we got the florals to match. So I do like a pink and black and gold spread. They're fun to do, especially for me. I like to do them like New Year's for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, this is a change. So look at these very different types of style, right? So it's a little something for everyone in this book because this is like very different. So we went from like real kind of, you know, city life to like country-ish stuff with the like romantic dresses and things like that. And look at this. These little vases are really cute. Look at, there's butterflies with that same pattern on it. Those are cool. Ooh, treats. I really like flipping through Live, Love, Posh sticker books because it's like always something new and I'm just like, ooh, look at this. So now a new theme. Wait, this one was only, okay. All right. So these, wait, let me make sure. All of those, you get 2 of each page. This one, you only get 1 of each of these pages. So you must choose your stickers carefully. You must choose them carefully. Oh, so this one is like a blue pattern stuff, and this one is black and white. That's kind of cool. Okay, so these, then we go into like a turquoise kind of vibe, like teal. I don't know, aqua. I never know what to call that color. You know what I mean? I would call, like, if I was doing it, I'd call this teal because it's like a darker one, and this turquoise, or yeah, turquoise. And then there's a mint green in here too, so it gets confusing. Look at that. That's a cute little desk. Little sticker pages. Little pages of stickers. A little, oh my gosh. These boxes say Live, Love, Posh on them. That is cute. That is really cute. Those are fun. Look, there's some washi tape that was taken off the roll there. So we've got some planners here. And then look at this one. These are all on paper, by the way. But this one is like cool because we have these strips here. I like the strips. I always like to use the strips. And you have little books here. I really like these little boxes. I'm glad there's a lot of them in this book. And look at that one. There's like kind of like watercolory behind it. That's fun. Lots of florals to go with it. And then this is a very different theme. So all of these themes are so completely different from each other, which is super fun. I like that. This one has some heavy lines, which is a different look, right? We have, you know, these big florals with the heavy lines, and like, look at this little tray full of goodies. I like that little breakfast tray. And a cat, a kitty cat, laying on the books because, you know, they like to lay on stuff. There's another cat. Is it the same cat? Probably. We have a record player there. I always feel like I should play like Where's Waldo on these, not these pages, but some of the other ones are so like intricate. I'd be like, find the book that says like peace on it. You know what I mean? Like, and then you have to find it. I don't know. Like a search and find. More pajamas that I like. I think I need to go shopping for PJs, just saying. That's me. That girl's me. Except maybe not the off-the-shoulder shirt, because that bugs me when it falls down like that. And I'm at home, you know what I mean? But that's me hanging out with my blankie on the couch and my comfy pants. And then usually in these sticker books, there's like a quote thing at the back or some sort of black and white page at the back. And this one has some nice quotes. Welcome home. Darling, it's time for a garden party. I know which theme that goes with. Interior design is my hustle. Create a space that makes you happy. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. I'd rather be in my garden. Lux Living, all that kind of stuff. But first, coffee. So there you have it. There are 2 of the sticker books that are coming out today. And that's at 6 p.m. Central Time. And I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I am really excited to use these in future spreads. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.